I'm Faraz, the Product Manager for IT and Edge Infrastructure here at Vertiv. Vertiv is a global provider of digital infrastructure. As we are consuming more and more data, data has to be placed somewhere in a home. This home is what we call a data center. Now, a data center needs to be supported by some level of infrastructure, and we here at Vertiv ensures that that data in that data center is always on. A smart city is an ecosystem or an environment where we're using technology as an information enabler, creating connected networks, creating connected people. This may be through the level of mediums of sensors, using this as data information to create 4 key attributes. These attributes being somewhere livable. You and I, as citizens, need to be able to live in a place that we feel we can interconnect, be seamless, not know the technology's there, be sustainable, longevity, knowing that we can renew or reuse our resources, such as renewable energy, safety, knowing that our data is safe or kept private. Are we kept anonymous? Is there a bit of privacy? And then finally, efficiency. Am I using my resources to the utmost potential? Is my business creating the best level of yield or output? All these 4 key scenarios are what's contributed or attributes of what we need to create this smart city. The key problems that Vertiv are solving to make smart places a reality is the support or the continuation of availability of data. So we here at Vertiv are ensuring that we provide that critical power, cooling, and monitoring infrastructure to ensure that wherever that compute lives in that data center is always accessible and always available, always ensuring that all businesses cannot afford to have any zero downtime. Infrastructure behind a smart city is vital for innovation, as the front-end architecture is very important and coincides with your back-end. For example, let's talk about smart transports or transport in general. If I was to put in a high-definition camera to track traffic movement, it is vital or codependent on the back-end storage and compute processing. If I can't process that high-definition data to be exact in time, what's the point of having that high-definition camera? You need this access to this information in real time. It's very important to know that if I'm about to put this new technology in, is my backend ready? Is my backend scalable? Is my backend modular in order to facilitate for this technology up and coming now and even into the future? Collaborations with Australian councils and businesses is vital for what we call interoperability. So the ability for technology and businesses to be able to talk to each other. And most importantly, what backend infrastructure to support it, not now, but in the future. We're currently working with a local Australian council to build a large data center. Now, the ability for this technology to talk to another platform is vital for that level of interoperability. Say smart parkings. Imagine you could go into a car park, you look at a screen. The screen exactly tells you what floor and what car parking spot to go into, so you're not having to look for a spot, you're assigned one. A smart city will improve the quality of life of an Australian citizen by providing real-time access to data. We can imagine concepts of transport, education, health, manufacturing, all these individual sectors. Imagine having real-time technology and sensors to give you the data to know what's going on. Small example, health. So health, we're starting to wear wearable tech, knowing what our body's doing, how our body's functioning. And if we know if something's not going right within the body, we've got that information available to take the proactive measures. The city of the future is going to be the interoperability of automation and artificial intelligence, using sensors, using information to do things for you. But now the smart city of the future is going to be taking the information and having technology make the decision for you. So as you can imagine, the ability to have a human removed from the decision-making is going to improve efficiencies within your smart city. So just imagine the possibilities you can have if you have the ability to have technology think for you or make the decisions for you, as opposed to having human intervention. This is our city of the future.